Yo! What up, players? We're on early today. We're not messing around today. I gotta go early, so I'm gonna hop on. We're gonna skip the pregame lobby, and we're gonna jump on in. What's up, everybody? Hope everyone out there is having a good day. Bitcoin down today. Altcoin's down today. We'll wait till everyone gets in here before we start, but what's up, everybody? Yo, yo, yo. Avna, Necro, Matt, he just said yo. What up? What up, man? Dusty, what up, man? What up, guys? What up, guys? What up, guys? Just another day of waiting for Bitcoin to, really just sitting at the highs, waiting for Bitcoin to see if it can get a breakout. Nothing really new happening, but we'll wait for everyone to get in here. And we'll talk some charts again. What's up? What's up? Safe Moon's back. Don't be talking about that, man. Pixel Trader bought more Pro. That's, man. I don't know if you guys saw the Proppy, man. We called the Proppy, bro. Look at Proppy. Let's freaking go, man. Proppy just pumped like 50%. Let's go, man. Right before the stream, man, Proppy just pumped 50%, man. If you don't know what Proppy is, we'll talk about it. Decentralized real estate, bro. Let's go, man. Anyways, what's up, everybody? Dominic, Justin, Matthew Scott, Jacob. Watch it retrace the whole move. That'd be funny. Hoffs, what's up? Dude, we crossed 5 p.m. off multiple times, Hoffs. You're late to the party, man. You're late to the party. Charmander, relax. Yeah, we can't start without Charmander. Shane, all-time high before I hit 42-month membership. Book it. Dude, we'll be at all-time high in the next few days. I'm not really worried about it, to be quite honest. I'm never really worried about Bitcoin, to be quite honest. What's up, Andres? MEXC just opened up the positive Safe Moon. Jesus, man. Give me some good news about damn Crow. Dude, Crow has been a freaking slug, man, but we'll talk about Crow. DSV, Raw, Billy. I had Proppy forever. Soon I sold it. It finally pumped. Of course it did. Anyways, let's start with Bitcoin, guys. As I think we're all, just kind of sitting on the edge of our seats waiting to see if something's going to happen with, Bitcoin strategic reserve, whatever. I'm not worried about the news, guys. I'm just going to continue to look at the charts and not focus too much on the news. Bitcoin still just kind of, okay, yeah, it's waddling around in here. I still think Bitcoin's just going to follow this fractal, guys. I'm not really too worried about Bitcoin. And to be quite honest, I think Bitcoin's just going to be breaking out here within the next few days. I'm not really worried about Bitcoin, to be quite honest. So, this is kind of the thought process with Bitcoin is, obviously Bitcoin just continuing to kind of follow the last year's price action, right? If we just kind of took last year's price action and we just overlaid it over this year, we're just doing a very similar thing where we had this first impulse, we had an 8-month correction, we had a second impulse, we had a 2-month correction where we swiped the lows. If we just put this back over here, you can see that we did swipe the lows on both of these. Right? We swept the lows. It was up only. We swept the lows. It's kind of been up only. We've had some red days. This one had some red days too. But my expectation is Bitcoin's just going to continue on to the upside over the next few days while we kind of waddle around in here and make people go insane and say, oh my God, what's going to happen here? But in reality, to me, the same thing's happening as last year. So, and that kind of goes along with our 4-year cycles, right? If you believe in the 4-year cycle theory, that's simply, once again, whereas Bitcoin in the cycle, Bitcoin's right here, okay? The 4th year of the cycle, Bitcoin goes up. So my expectation is Bitcoin gonna go up, all right? And that basically leads us to the altcoins, right? And, altcoins, some of them are kind of moving up, some of them are not moving up. They're kind of all taking turns right now, and it's like, bro, what the hell, man? They're kind of, money's just sloshing around in each altcoin, and I think that just goes to show that people are bored, and you see some capitulation across the board as money just sloshes from narrative to narrative, right? 2 days ago, it was, XRP and Chainlink, and then it was AI coins yesterday, and now we're back to Solana, right? What's going to be tomorrow? When are we going to see everything kind of rise together? I think very, very soon. So my thought process is, just having patience and letting these ranges kind of play out and waiting kind of for Bitcoin to kind of do its thing, right? So kind of with others too, right? And this is the others chart. Just kind of going sideways, guys. Not really too much to add here. Some alts are going up, some alts are going down, some alts are going sideways. Nothing really too much happening yet, but my thoughts is that this range eventually will break to the upside, and when it does, it's going to be very, very fast, and most people will miss the move because they're going to be bored, they're going to sell out, and then when it does move up, they're going to try to catch it, but it's going to move very, very fast, and most people will be priced out by then, in my personal opinion. So nothing's really changed. I still think January to, I guess, what did we say? January to May will be bullish for altcoins. January's been kind of sideways so far. I mean, technically we are up in January for alts, but I still think that January to March, or at least March, I'd say at least April, will be good for alts. Just a matter of patience, I think. You know what I'm saying? Just a matter of freaking patience and getting through the time frames and doing what you got to do. But really, nothing's really happening. We're kind of just waddling sideways in here for others. Just kind of waiting for that January to April pump that we've seen in every single cycle. January to April pump, post-election year. January to April pump, post-election year. Oh my God, my voice is cracking, bro. My voice is cracking though, dude. Oh man. Dude, I thought I hit puberty not too kind of longer ago. I guess I just hit puberty now. Kind of all makes sense. It all makes sense why I have so many voices and personalities, because I just hit puberty now. What the hell, man? Anyways, what else is going on in the market? Solana, I think there was some news on XRP and Solana today. They're going to be CME futures on XRP and Solana. If you're an XRP and Solana holder, nice. If you're not, well, it is what it is. I think that's going to be good news. I think it's going to be good news for all coins coming pretty soon over the next few weeks. So I'm not really too concerned about it. But Solana came up and hit the highs again. Right? You saw some memes pop, but really, I'm not fully convinced that the memes will be bouncing. You guys know that, but we're not going to talk about that today, because it's going to be a short stream. We're going to keep it positive and kind of keep it rolling. But, Solana had a nice pop today. XRP had a nice pop today, but still just going sideways, man. Still sideways action on XRP, right? Solana came back to the highs. Can Solana break the highs? We'll see, but still nothing yet. Chainlink, blah, just kind of a red day today, but, overall, not really too much going on over here in the crypto market. I just think we're on the precipice of this market really going nuts. And I think the sentiment kind of shows it. There's not too much excitement going on in the markets. Despite Bitcoin being at 104K, there's not too much excitement going on. And I think it's really nice. It's really nice to see the sentiment not being too crazy, despite Bitcoin being, really breaking all-time highs 2 days ago. It didn't feel like Bitcoin broke all-time highs, but it did, right? And I think that's an awesome sentiment to have going into this year, all right? So patience will win. Patience. Nothing else has really changed as far as this goes. It's just a matter of getting to that point, which we typically do in every single cycle in the post-election year, right? So another news, I kind of wanted to talk about this, and I have had this theory. It's kind of RWAs, or RWA altcoins, but decentralized real estate coins. I wouldn't, I talked about Proppy, and I said, it's one of the only coins I've bought in recently. I bought Proppy down here, and boom, man, shot up 50% today. Let's freaking go. If you caught that with your boy, let's go. I also posted on Twitter like 6 days ago when it was down here. Boom, we get a 50% pop today on Proppy. Let's hope it doesn't fully retrace. then I'll be like, dude, what the hell, man? Let's hope it doesn't fully retrace. I'll probably take some profits after the stream. But a nice pop up there on Proppy. I just have this weird feeling that decentralized real estate, it's like a weird narrative. I just feel like that's going to do really well this year because Trump loves real estate, and I think RWAs are going to do good, right? So kind of just goes along with RWAs and whatnot. But, I don't know. I just have this weird vibe that decentralized real estate is going to do good this year. It's a weird narrative. It's a narrative that's never really pumped. Not never pumped, but never really been talked about. I don't know. I just have this gut feeling, and sometimes my gut feelings are right, sometimes they're wrong. You just gotta hope that your winners are better than your losers. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's really the market right now, guys. I think we're in a good spot. Obviously some alts are doing good, some alts are doing bad. Bitcoin just continuing to do good, literally 4,000 away from all-time highs. I think we're in a really, really good spot, and we're kind of exactly where I thought we'd be at this point. So let's get it, man. Let's get it, man. Ethereum, man, Ethereum. Can we talk about this real quick? ETH, right? Just absolute devastation on Twitter on Ethereum right now. And I just feel like ETH is becoming the new XRP as far as the coin that's fun to hate on, right? It is fun to hate on ETH. Still waiting on news. Still have not gotten any news. And we said if there's going to be any time where any news comes out for ETH to get any type of momentum to the upside, it's going to be over these next few weeks, okay? Because we're back at this weekly support. We're back at this trend line, okay? If there's going to be any news, it's going to happen in the next few weeks. If not, sayonara suckers, different shit is going to pump, all right? But, you know, still waiting on any type of ETH news to get it out of there. I don't think retail is going to pump ETH. I have a feeling if ETH is going to move up, or ETH Bitcoin will move up, it'll simply be because, you know, there'll be some boomer news, right? Some ETH ETF news or something. But I don't know if that's actually going to happen, guys. Right now, ETH isn't one of my bigger holdings anyways. I could care less if ETH pumps or not, but I think it would be good for altcoins in general if ETH did get some interest from boomers. I just think it would be a good thing. So I'm kind of hoping and praying that ETH pumps or ETH Bitcoin goes up for a little bit, because I think that would be good for altcoins. At least a little bit better for altcoins than we're currently seeing right now. All right? So we'll freaking see. Yo, Jason.
To support cycle top in Q2 or Q4.
More evidence to support cycle top in Q2 or Q4. That's a good question, man. I think there's going to be 2 cycle tops. Something tells me there'll be 2 cycle tops like last cycle, right? And 2017 technically had like 2 major cycle tops. My plan, and this is just my plan might not play out like like we want it to, but my plan at least is to sell off like 80. My plan is to sell off like 80% of my crypto by April. You might be saying, why the hell would you sell 80% of your crypto by April? Well, to me, if we get this type of move, I'll be more than happy with the gains I made this cycle, because I have a feeling that if Bitcoin does do something like this over the next few months, I just generally think altcoins are going to absolutely go nuts. So this move, I would be happy taking 80% of my crypto out by April, because in the last 2 cycles, in May of the post-election year, you did see, 55% correction on Bitcoin, and you saw a 40% correction on Bitcoin, which basically would probably mean devastation and absolute destroying of souls on altcoins, probably 80-90% down on altcoins, if this was to happen for Bitcoin. So my plan is, okay, both cycles we did the same pullback at the same time right here, and then both cycles we also had a cycle peak around the same time, which was like the end of the year, which is Q4. So my plan is I want to sell like 80% of my crypto here, and then I'll ride the last 20% to the upside. If we don't get that last pump, okay, we'll just ride it down, whatever. But if we do, that last 20% will still be a pretty damn good amount. I obviously don't think Bitcoin's going this high, guys, but that's kind of my plan. My plan might not work. You guys make your own freaking plan. All right? But that's my plan at least, dude. That's my plan. I've been saying top in Q4 for 3 years. For Hoopy's a freaking stud, man. He really is. He's a freaking stud. I ain't waiting for Q4 too risky. Hell no, that's why I'm not either. Shit. But I will not be selling everything, because I know that I want some exposure to crypto at all times, because I know missing out on like the last bit kind of sucks. So I always want some crypto exposure, you know what I mean? Like shit. That's why I'll leave like 20% in, just in case there's like this massive blow off top, But anyways, yeah, it's really just a patience day, guys. Yesterday was green for a lot of stuff. Today's red for some stuff. Like just a back and forth. I just think you just gotta have patience, man. Just think you gotta have patience. This is actually a good thing because Coinbase was kind of getting high on the apps. Let's bore everyone out for a little bit and kind of do our thing. So, yeah. Anyways, I've been yapping for like 20 minutes. I'll hop on in the chat and we'll kind of do whatever we want to do here. Mark, what's up, bro? At least there's a plan. Exactly, Matt. You got to at least have a plan, bro. You know what I mean? You got to at least have a plan. Shit. Like, you can't be going in blind. I've done that before. And it is what it is. Larry Fink says 700K. Yes. I wonder why Larry Fink would say that. Maybe because he wants people to buy the ETF so he can make fees. I also remember Larry Fink saying Bitcoin was trash not too long ago either during the bear market. It is what it is. But, touche. By the way, I do think Bitcoin's going higher. So this is not trashing Bitcoin. I do think Bitcoin's going higher. 1 year in crypto is like 6 years in regular people years. Dude, that is so true. That is so true, dude. I feel like, since I've been doing this for like, not in crypto, but like at least on YouTube for 5 years, I feel like I've aged 20 years. Seriously, I say this like, I feel like I've aged 20 years. Dead ass. It really is true. Prediction for XRP? Probably just the fib targets, man. I mean, XRP's tough. I'd say the fib targets. I did not catch XRP on this whole pump. I bought the dip down here. All right. So I'm in from probably 210, 215-ish. It's probably my average on XRP. I think hitting the previous all-time high was probably a good time to take a little bit off the board. So I took a little bit off the board already. But yeah, I think for the next targets, like if we're going to continue to go up for XRP, which I do think we will, as I think this was just the first impulse up. This is just the wave 2. And I think we're going to go for the wave 3 now. Yeah, just like $5, $8, whatever. And that's not even because like Bitcoin USD. That's just looking at Bitcoin, XRP Bitcoin. XRP Bitcoin. Right? Just look at this big range that it's been in. Right? Range highs, range highs, range highs, range highs, range lows, range lows, range lows, range lows. Hit the range lows. Oh, you actually front ran the range lows. I was looking for this red box on XRP. You front ran it, whatever. But this chart, tells me that now that the SEC case is over, which was keeping it down this whole time, that I think we see at least the range high. At least the range high. If not the 2017 high. But I would say the range high here at like 0.001 Bitcoin, which is a 264% move against BTC, which I don't know. Depends where Bitcoin goes, honestly. Depends where Bitcoin goes. But yeah, you can just see it's just the range. Now you have like a double bottom. I think you go back to the range high on XRP Bitcoin. And depending on where Bitcoin goes, that'll tell you where XRP is going to go. But yeah, I just think the fib targets, dude. What you want? What you want to do? Hope you said I'm not effing with alts after the cycle. Dude, I think that's a lot of I think that's going to be a lot of people, man. And I think that's also what's going to cause, my opinion after this year, I think after this year is going to be like the .com bubble for altcoins. I really, really do. Something tells me that this year, like something will happen with altcoins where it gets everyone super pumped on utility coins. Utility coins will go nuts. People, like everyone and their mother, your grandma will be buying an altcoin. Okay. And after that comes like the biggest alt, like the .com bubble 2.0 crash for alts. And I think Bitcoin goes down too, but where they get absolutely destroyed, and only the strong ones survive. I don't plan on holding that drawdown, but I will buy once the dust settles. You just don't know where the dust settles. I mean, the dust typically settles 1 year after the top. This is bear market talk. We'll talk about this. We'll talk about this in the future, but typically the cycle, I mean, Bitcoin bottoms 1 year after it tops. We'll talk. We'll save that for the bear market. All right, we'll save that for the damn bear market, man. We don't want to be talking like that right now. It's some weird shit. You know what I mean? Some weird freaking shit. We don't want to be weird and to be talking about that right now. All right, that's some crazy shit. You planning to short at all? No, I'm not gonna short in the bear, man. I'm just gonna. Well, my plan is to at least go like 90% cash. Well, not 90% cash. There's a Bitcoin stack that I won't sell. But for like altcoins and my Bitcoin like that I hold for the cycle, I want to be out of that. I want to be completely out of that. Just hold cash and just buy back in the bear. I don't plan on really shorting, man. I'm not a shorter, bro. I'm not a shorter, man. I'm not gonna be coming in here shorting the market down. Some of you guys might be really good at that. I'm not the best at, really like going for all those like little shorts. I'd rather just go cash and just wait it out, when it does happen. Love life travel, said Hector. It's eerily quiet from all-time high. Dude, it's very quiet for an all-time high. Very quiet for an all-time high. It is. And this is why I don't think the top is in, because there's just no excitement right now. There's no excitement. I feel like people are just pissed because Trump hasn't announced anything yet. There's no excitement, man. And I've been in this market long enough to know that every cycle top has come with massive amount of excitement. No one thinking the price can go lower. Literally no one thinks the price can go lower. Everyone's bullish. You know what I mean? Massive hysteria on alts. That's been every single crypto cycle top. So, at the end of the day, add that to the bingo card of why I don't think the top is in. If it would be different if Bitcoin was here and it's mass hysteria. You don't see that right now. To me, you just don't see that right now. Let's see. What are those yellow candles? Oh, this is you heard their strategic Bitcoin reserve. I wouldn't hold out on that, guys. I don't even think Bitcoin needs that. Bitcoin has gotten to 103K without that news. I think it's just fine, even if you don't get that, to be quite honest. People will panic in the short term. Oh my God, right? I don't even think you need that. What's this yellow? This is just the 2023 price action, and how we're just mimicking the 2023 price action. Big pump, big sideways, another big pump, little sideways, sweep the lows, up only, which we've done so far. The fractal is intact. It is very much intact, which is pretty beautiful, if you ask me. Something tells me, like I said, over the next few days, there's going to be some news over the next few days that gets this out of here. That's my guess. I would say by next week, there's going to be some news that gets Bitcoin out of there and gets, some of these other ones out of there. That's my guess. And right now, there's not really too much to add besides that. Well, let's see what time it is. It's vodka. We like the vodka. The vodka. The vodka is good. We like it, the vodka. Yeah. The vodka. What's the next catalyst to even pump Trump coin? I don't really want to talk memes. I don't really want to talk Trump coin, man. Trump coin, I don't even know what to say about Trump coin. I'm just not really interested in it. If it goes to the moon, it goes to the moon, whatever. I'm just not too interested in Trump coin, in Melania coin. I don't have too much interest in it. It looks like it probably wants to come back to the lows again. At least right now, it looks kind of like a bearish retest. Right? You had the lows, you came back up, rejected, now you're coming back down. I don't really want to talk too much about the Trump coin. You guys know I'm not a big fan of the memes and The memes and the celebrity, especially the celeb tokens. You guys know I am not a fan of the celeb tokens. So, yeah. This looks like it. I think this looks like it wants to come back down to this little order block down here at like 27 bucks, 26 bucks. If I'm just looking at the chart, who knows? Who knows, man? Some news can come out, this shit can pump. I don't know, but I'm not a big fan of the celeb tokens or the meme coins. I'm like so meme coined out this cycle. Like, I would be fine if meme coins just never came back. You know what I mean? Don't lie, you're interested in Melania, dude. I ain't interested in Melania. I definitely ain't interested in Melania, dude. Not a chance. Ooh la la. Pepe? I think Pepe is going lower. This is my prediction on Pepe. We'll see if we even get this one wave. This is my outlook on Pepe. Yes, I do think Pepe is going down another 50%. Blow me. Blow me. And it's okay. Maybe after that, you'll get some bounce. But, yeah. He likes Baron. Dude, I would totally buy Baron coin. Just kidding. I wouldn't buy Baron coin. I definitely wouldn't buy Baron coin. Popcat? Yeah, I saw Popcat bounce today. Bounced a little bit higher than I thought it would. But I'm still not convinced. I still think these are going to roll over. So yeah, Popcat went a little bit higher. But I honestly think these are going to still roll over and go lower. For the memes. I think they got to bounce today because you got some Solana news. Right? Solana, CME futures. Right? Some Solana CME futures news. So Popcat bounced. The other one didn't really do much though. But I still think those are going lower though. Will Popcat survive the bear market, bro? No memes will survive a bear market, bro. Those ones will die the most. At least some of these at least like XRP or Chainlink or Crow, they have some type of utility and use case. Dude, all the memes will go to Pico zero, literally Pico zero. Like in a bear market, there was zero reason to hold a meme. The memes will get destroyed the most. I don't think we're in a bear market right now, but I do think when it comes, the memes will get absolutely hosed. I'm talking 99.99% hosed. People bearish on Bitcoin today? I ain't bearish Bitcoin, bro. I'm definitely not bearish Bitcoin. Short term, okay, maybe it waddles around in here for a little bit, but my thought process still stands. The next few days, I think we're going to see an all-time high on Bitcoin. Within the next few days. Yeah, buddy. Bonk ETF coming soon. Damn, that would be crazy. Let's see. They're all good and fully wrecked. Yeah, I agree. I mean, all altcoins will get wrecked in the bear market, yeah. I just think memes will get wrecked even more. But they all get wrecked. Where's alt season on this chart? I don't think... I think there's going to be alt pumps. I think, once again, it's going to be like last year. You got to be in the right coins, man. You got to be in the right coins. I don't think... This cycle is not the cycle where you can just buy anything and you pray and everything goes up. You got to be in the right coins. And that's why I've tried to say that a few times. It's like... you got to be good at picking the old coins this cycle. Like I don't think it's a thing where you can just buy anything, close your eyes, and you're making a 5 to 10x. I mean, you can. I just don't think that's the case.
You do a chart on EGLD.
That's why I talk so much.
It could get anywhere near all-time high again.
Oh shit. Brian Hoffman, what do you chart on EGLD? Any chance it can get anywhere near all-time high again? We'll look at it. But that's why I keep talking about utility coins. That's my play. I could be wrong, but that's the sector that I'm choosing. That's the sector that I think is going to pump. Because, all right, look at it this way. If others is going to go from here to here, right, which let's say others goes up 190%, right? Let's say we do get this altcoin season and others goes up 190%. That's not going to be all altcoins doing 3x's. That's going to be some altcoins doing 10x's, some altcoins red, some altcoins nothing, some altcoins 50x, some altcoins down 99%. Right? It's a mix of those. I don't think it's going to be like 2021 where you literally just close your eyes and you throw a dart and you're killing it, right? I think you got to be in the right coins. And I'm going with utility. I think that's my opinion. What's going to be the play that is going to get total or others up? You might think it's memes. So you go with the memes, bro. If you think memes is going to get this here, by all means. I think utility is going to get this here. But I don't think it's going to be everything. I think it's going to be a very select amount of plays. And I think this pump here, this move, was an indicator of what's going to be this move, right? As soon as Trump won the election, and this is I think it's really this simple. As soon as Trump won the election, which you guys want to know when election day was? Right here. What pumped? As soon as Gensler said he's stepping out, what pumped? That's the same. Those same coins that pumped here, I think will be the same coins that have this move. Things changed right here. Things changed. Utility became important again. Memes did not, right? So I think the same coins that had this move after the Trump win, that we've had a correction now, are going to be the same ones that have this move. So that's what I bet on. I could be wrong about that. I've been wrong about many, many things in my life. I'll be wrong about things again. But that's my bet. And I don't think it's going to be everything that pumps. I don't. I really don't think it's going to be everything that pumps. But you guys can see in the chart, something changed right here. What pumped? Literally on the day, XRP pumps. Chainlink pumps. CRV pumps. Crow pumps. Right? I can go down the list. You guys get the point. Cardano pumps. Right? What goes down since that day? Bonk. Down only. Whiff. Down only. Popcat. Down only. Pepe. Down only, right? You can see the difference. And that's kind of my thought process on why I think some coins are going to get others up, some coins are going to pump 10x, and some coins are going to go down. And that's why I think it's important that you choose the right ones. But you do you. You do you, right? You do you. And whatever you want to do, all right? Whatever you want to do. Doge, I mean, to be fair, okay, I guess. Doge is kind of an outlier. I don't know if we can say Doge is. I wouldn't throw Doge in the same realm as all those other ones. You know what I mean? Like, I would not throw Doge in that same realm. You know what I mean? ETH, down only. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. ETH is a meme. ETH is a damn meme coin too now, bro. Where was the election? Actually, no. I mean, ETH is up since the election. So we cannot say that we can throw ETH in that basket. This was the election day. technically speaking, I know it doesn't feel like it, but technically speaking, ETH, since the election day, is up 37%. I know it doesn't feel like it, but it is. Somehow. It definitely doesn't feel like it is. But it is up 37% from the election. It's not a lot. I mean, actually, it is a pretty decent amount. But, like, crypto-wise, 37%, I don't think anyone's in the market for 37%. But there it is, 37% from election day. Technically speaking, Ethereum is up. Do I see a wedgie? Is there like a little wedgie forming on this shit? I don't know. I'm spitballing here, man. I'm trying to find some life on the ETH, man. I don't even know if we can find life on ETH, man. I mean, can we really go balls deep and say this is some type of wedge forming? I mean, I don't hope it doesn't have to go down here again. But, man, oh man. I mean, I'm really spitballing here. Oh, shit. No, to me, I think we're going to get some type of news. I think some type of news will come out and ETH will start moving and everyone will be like, wow, I love ETH now. Right? This is what happens, right? I mean, something doesn't move, it pumps, everyone loves it, right? It was the same thing right here, actually. Remember when ETH wasn't doing shit? And then you had this move, and everyone loved ETH again. And ever since then, everyone hates ETH. And then it comes up again. I don't think it's going to do like that, but it would surprise me. It comes up again. Everyone loves ETH. And well, I don't know if everyone loves ETH. I think everyone hates ETH, but will buy it if they think price is going to go up. I don't know if anyone really likes ETH. It's like, ETH is like the institutional coin, man. I don't know if any of us really like ETH. Like, the ETH gas fees suck. I've always thought ETH gas fees fuck. ETH gas fees fuck. But institutions build stuff on ETH. So, like, when institutions, because ain't no one buying ETH right now. All right, anyways, Bitcoin, 104,329. And we got XRP, another green day, almost back to the highs. Solana, almost back to the highs. So we got some coins doing well, and some coins not doing shit. Crow finally catching a little bit of bid on the Bitcoin pair. Hopefully we can get that moving. Other than that, not too much else going on today, guys. All right, so I'm going to keep it at that. I got some company coming over, so I got to get off. It's going to be a short stream today. Not too much else to add. Everyone have a fantastic day out there. Don't be weird. Don't be crazy. And, yeah, that's what I would say. Jennifer, I wish I sold at 4K. Well, don't we all? Don't we all? Don't we all? Hindsight is a bitch. Know what I mean? None of this chart stuff's going to matter when executive orders have been signed. The problem is we just don't know when that's going to happen, right? But we'll see. Listen, I'm bullish, bro. I don't know if you came out from this live stream saying that I'm bearish, thinking that I'm bearish, you're out of your goddamn mind. I am a rock hard bull. My nipples are hard right now, bro. Okay? You see this arrow on Bitcoin? You see this arrow on Bitcoin, bro? I'm a hard freaking horny bull right now. And I'm ready to get all these utility coins freaking rocking and rolling to the upside. All right? All of them. All these bad boys. Rock and roll into the upside soon. All right? Patience, patience, patience. I'm out of here. Catch you guys tomorrow. Normal time tomorrow, 7 p.m. Sputnik.
I am looking to long ETH.
Looking along.
2,700. It could do an ABC correction, then move to new all-time highs.
Maybe. It could get down there. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, and you get in the fifth wave down. You could get there. If you get that entry, bro, I would take that entry all day. I would long ETH at 2,700 too. You might as well close your eyes and long, bro. You know what I mean? Shout out to Sputnik. But I can see it, man, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you get it, you get it. If ETH keeps being weak, you take that trade all day. All right. Anyways, peace out, guys. Catch you guys tomorrow. And don't be weird out there. All right? Don't be weird out there. Thank you, Sputnik. Peace.